Oh, one of the brands was Drunk Elephant. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Jayla. Don't forget to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for watching, tuning in, subscribing, just supporting me. I really appreciate it. So today we are going to be talking about my favorite beauty products. I feel like this is the perfect time since Sephora is having their sale. So this is the time to like re-up on your products, try new products. I've already done it. So I feel like Sephora only really gets my money is when they have a sale. Now, I definitely spend enough money with them because I am a Rouge member. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video and let's get right into it. Their shipping was really fast. Like I bought my stuff maybe on a Saturday and I got it on a Wednesday. So I'm gonna start with hair care, a natural girly as you see. Since I don't go to my hairstylist all the time, I try to really invest in some like good products or try to mimic what she uses in my hair so that I'm still giving the care that my hair needs. So starting with this Soul Food Nourishing Mask. I feel like Amika is really a good brand for black hair, to be exact. You wouldn't think so, but I see my hairstylist use this and it works really well with my hair. I usually put this in for like, I leave this in for maybe like 30 minutes and I feel like afterwards my hair is like really soft, really detangled, and just like very nourishing. When it comes to hair care products, I'm gonna just let you know right now, all these products smell really good. I feel like I'm really big on my hair care smelling decent because it's going in my hair, so I'm going to be smelling it even after you rinse it out. So I also picked up another product from Mika, and that's just the Hydro Rush Intense Moisturizing Mask. I've heard really good things about this. I've also seen my hairstylist use it, so I'm super excited to try. I feel like it's gonna work really well with my hair just because the other mask works really well. It is a product that I've never used, but I do think it's gonna be a hit. Next is the Moroccan Oil Intense Hydrating Mask. Now this mask smells amazing. I feel like Moroccan oil in general smells amazing. I think they just came out with a perfume because it smells that good. I feel like I left this in for 30 minutes and my hair is just like so moisturizing, so soft. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this as well. Two other things for hair care, starting with the shampoo. This is by Olaplex. This is the #4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. I've seen my hairstylist use this. I was struggling to find like a good shampoo, but I feel like this works really well. It lathers up really well and it definitely feels like you're getting your hair really clean. So I really appreciate that. And then it says it repairs, strengthens, nourish all hair types, which I could definitely agree. I would definitely recommend this. And then last hair care product is the Wow Color Wow Dream Coat. I'm not gonna hold you. I bought this kit when they had their sale around Christmas time. I told myself that in 2025, this year, I am going to learn. I already know how to, but I'm going to perfect how to straighten my hair. And one of the key products that my hairstylists use is this. So I was like, yes, ma'am, I'm gonna buy it. So I already know it works well. I already know it is a hit because when my stylist straightens my hair with this, it always comes out super good. So I just need to perfect it using it myself. So okay, so now let's go into skincare. Starting with a few I consider drugstore products because they're relatively cheap. So the hyaluronic acid by The Ordinary, I feel like is the best hyaluronic acid I've ever tried. I think the other few that I've tried, oh, one of the brands was Drunk Elephant. This one is a lot more thicker, good consistency, and I feel like you don't need much because it is like thicker and quality product. So if you are looking for a hyaluronic acid, I would definitely recommend this one. Retinol serum by the Inkly list. If you're not into retinol but want to try it out, I would definitely recommend this one because for one, it's cheap. And two, I feel like it's effective for the cost. One of the Sephora ladies ended up convincing me to buy it, and so I tried it and I feel like it's really worked well with my skin. When I use it in my night time routine. I wake up and I feel like my skin just looks like very clear, very glowy, just like glass skin. I feel like it's really just this because it's the only thing I will insert into my routine. And then for pimple patches, I would definitely recommend the Peace Out. I feel like this has been the only pimple patch that will stay on my face throughout the night. I feel like I've tried some from Target and I feel like I'll wake up and it's on my pillowcase. So I'm like, what am I buying these for if they can't even stay on my face? So I definitely recommend the Peace Out because I feel like it sticks and it works. It just like pulls out all that like nasty stuff out of the pimple. So I would definitely recommend if you are looking for some pimple patches. So I feel like the biggest thing that I have, the biggest problem I have with my skin is I will get pimples and then it will turn into dark marks, and then the dark marks will slowly fade away, but don't fade away fast enough. So I've been looking for like a dark spot serum. I tried many different ones. I feel like the one that's worked really well is the Milk Marvel Dark Spot Serum. I seen really good reviews on Sephora, so I was like, okay, let me like tap in. And I definitely feel like this is a good dark spot serum. I had like 2 bumps right here and it literally like faded away within like a few weeks after me putting this on consistently. So I definitely had to re-up because this might be my new go-to. So yeah, I would definitely recommend if you have like dark spots and are trying to get rid of them. All right, y'all, so on to makeup. Starting with the Topicals Mint Lip Balm. That's how it looks. I feel like Topicals has the formula down pat. Okay, when it comes to prestige, now I will say Beauty Supply lip gloss definitely still has them beat because it is cheaper. But when it comes to prestige lip gloss, I definitely feel like Topicals has it in the bag. So I love smelling that like minty smell after applying this. Next, it's the Patrick Ta, and this is their double take cream and powder blush, and this is in the color She's Vibrant. She's a little dirty, but this is how it looks. Like, this is very pigmented, so you only need a little bit. But yeah, I definitely recommend this. I feel like it's very long lasting, especially if you like put both on. You're definitely gonna be good to go when it comes to blush. Now, I will say blush is like my favorite part when it comes to makeup, so I definitely have to try another blush, even though the Patrick Ta is definitely a good product. I wanted to also try the Soft Pinch Blush Matte Effect. This is by Rare Beauty. This is how she looks. Let's see, and this is in the color Grateful. I did swatch this when I was in Sephora the other day. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. What? This is gonna be it. Ooh. Y'all can't really see it. Hold on. I like this. Okay, we're gonna have to add our light back. The sun is like playing games with me. I feel like I put a little bit on. You could probably tell a little bit, but I definitely feel like I could wear this with just like some like concealer. If I want to do a full face, I can like get a little heavier on it, but I definitely love the color. So hopefully, and it had good reviews. So I feel like I'm happy with my purchase. And then another thing I also picked up was the Glowy Super Gel, and this is by Celia, this brand, yeah. And basically this is something you put on before you put on your foundation, or you could wear it without foundation, but it's basically like highlighter in liquid form. I swatched this in store and I was like, oh yeah, I need her. Okay, next product is the Warm Wishes stick. This is on the color On the Horizon by Rare Beauty. I'm trying to get into like my bronzer and contour bag because I feel like I'm terrible at it. And this product had really good reviews. I feel like Rare Beauty just has like, I think Selena's been doing her thing when it comes to makeup industry, but This is how, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna have to see once we like do a full face, but I definitely see the vision and the color working really well with my skin. So I'm super excited for this, and it had high reviews. And then the last product I want to talk about is the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. I had this foundation for a very long time. I definitely feel like if you're more of like a natural girly and just like want a little bit of makeup, like this one is your girl. Like, she is really good, and I feel like it just gives you like a natural radiant finish. And then once like I like set it with some powder, I feel like it lasts all day. So I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a new foundation, but want something more on the natural side. All right, y'all, that is the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please comment below some products that you feel are a staple in your routine. I would love to know, because I might make one more trip down there before the Sephora sale ends. But yeah, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you part of my channel. And yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.